The neurographic line, by definition, has a distinct characteristics. It doesn't repeat itself, and that makes it unpredictable. We don't know what to draw next. Let's look at a couple examples of the lines that are not considered neurographic. For example, a straight line. A straight line repeats itself on each segment, and we know how to draw it next. It's predictable. Another example, an ornament. An ornament has an obvious pattern which repeats itself, and this makes ornaments so beautiful. However, it's predictable. Another example, a zigzag line that has no obvious pattern. It doesn't seem to repeat itself, yet it has some straight elements that make it look very much like the straight line. Those three examples are not considered the neurographic line. Thus we know that the neurographic line doesn't repeat itself. Its segments are not like each other, and thus makes it unpredictable, and the mind doesn't know what to expect. There are plenty of examples of the neurographic line in nature, in plants, in the sky, in the human being. Other artists also try to imitate nature. This movement is called Art Nouveau. The method of Neurographica gave their line special significance. The line became a meaningful image by itself. How do we draw the neurographic line? For now, try to draw lines in such a way that each segment look a bit different, and focus only on that, how to make line that doesn't repeat itself. It could be a shallow line, almost horizontal, or could be a wavier line. Just remember to keep it non-repetitive without the pattern. You can draw it from bottom up, from right to left, or even create some shapes. You may even try your non-dominant hand. It's a very interesting experience. According to the method of Neurographica, this kind of line helps us communicate with the subconscious mind. I teach this method in my courses. Please check neurocreativelife.com. But for now, let's concentrate on making the line that's not repetitive. That line that has no obvious pattern. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next part.